This is how to change your screen on the Sync 3 for Ford. So you have your seek button here, and this one has the eject button. So you're going to hold them both. Can you see them? Hold them both at the same time. And it's going to go to the diagnostic menu. It's going to do the speaker test. Just hit in test. Testing settings. Theme. Right now it's on Ford Classic. Touch that. What do you want to put it on? Yeah, Mustang, Raptor, Shelby R. What do you want to put it on, AJ?
Let's do regular Shelby.
Ford Shelby?
Yeah.
Hit that. Oop. Scroll back. Turn it off. GT350. That's how you change the screen.